Excuse me, what are you thinking? What's on your mind? Fooled you. You're lucky. This one is just a joke. But let me tell you, there are people out there playing with your mind and you don't even know it. If you think you hold the remote, think again. Stories hide within stories. Yours, mine, theirs. But the moot question is, who is controlling who? Luckily, help is at hand. This book, Arjun Shekhar's second novel, tells you all about these mind games being played on us through a new form of subliminal advertising. Ads that make people do things they never intended to. So, get your copy of this book before it's too